In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove CMS from Framer. This quick and straightforward process will take only a few minutes, so let's get started. First, open up your favorite web browser. You can use any browser that you feel comfortable with, be it Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. In the search bar, type in Framer and hit Enter. Among the search results, look for Framer's official website and click on the link to open it. Once you're on the Framer homepage, it's time to log into your account. You can easily do this by finding the Login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials, your email and password, and access your account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where all your projects are listed. Find the specific project from which you want to remove the CMS, and click on it to open the project in the editor. Now that your project is open, focus on locating the Settings area. The project settings can usually be found on the left-hand panel, marked by a gear icon or the label Settings. Click on it to enter the Settings menu. In the Settings menu, look for an option that mentions CMS. This section is dedicated to managing any content management features associated with your project. Within the CMS settings, you'll see a list of your CMS collections. Each collection represents a group of content that was managed within your Framer project. Find the specific CMS collection that you wish to remove. It's important to take a moment here and double-check that you've selected the correct collection, because the next steps will permanently delete the content. Once you have identified the right collection, look carefully for an option that allows you to delete or reset the collection. This option will remove the collection from your project, and it's crucial to note that this action cannot be undone. Make sure that you no longer need the content within this collection or that you have backed it up elsewhere, because once you proceed, it will be gone for good. After confirming that you're ready, go ahead and click the Delete option. The system might prompt you for confirmation to ensure that nothing is removed accidentally. Confirm your choice, and just like that, the CMS collection is removed from your project. And there you have it, a straightforward guide on how to remove CMS from Framer. Remember to always verify your selections before deleting anything to avoid any accidental loss of important data. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and informative guides. Until next time, have a great day working on your projects in Framer.